Hello, this is Isah, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this lace scarf. It's very simple and easy, recommended for beginners, but can also be interesting for more experienced crocheters. The scarf measures 8 inches wide and approximately 60 inches long. You can make yours longer or wider. The size will also vary based on the yarn you use and your tension. You can also make a shawl or blanket out of the pattern. Just follow the multiple of 3 stitches plus 2 and adding 1 to the beginning of chain. So, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more crochet projects. Okay, let's get started. For this tutorial, I'm going to use a 5mm hook, a tapestry needle, and a yarn cutter. And for the yarn, I'll be using this LANALON yarn, which I got from an online shop here. It is an acrylic fingering weight yarn, which has no label. You can buy this per gram or per kilo, and this is really good for making scarves and shawls. See the description box below for the link to the shop. Okay, let's begin with the slip knot and make a chain of 33. Again, this requires a multiple of 3 stitches plus 2 and adding 1 to the beginning of chain. I started with chain 33 and it will produce 10 sets of cross double crochet. So row 1, single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in each chain across. I do my single crochet at the back bump of each chain, but it is not really necessary. I only want to have nice bottom edge, which I will show you later. So you see, it's just like the top of each stitch. Now we have a total of 32 single crochet, and look at the nice bottom edge that we have. See? It's just like the top of a regular stitch. Row 2, chain 3, which counts as our double crochet. Turn and work cross stitches across to the last. So to do that, skip 2 single crochet and work a double crochet in the next stitch. Then chain 1 and work double crochet in that first skipped single crochet. It's like doing a double crochet backward. So this is our first crossed double crochet. Again, skip 2 stitches and double crochet to the next. Chain 1 and double crochet in the first skipped single crochet. We now have 2 sets of crossed double crochet. So let's do it again. Skip 2 stitches and work double crochet into the next, chain 1 and double crochet in the first skip single crochet. So basically we're just going to use single and double crochet all throughout the pattern. We're now here on our last cross stitch. And now work a double crochet on that very last single crochet. Row 3, chain 1, turn and work single crochet in the first 2 DC or double crochet. And then single crochet in that chain 1 space. And single crochet into the next 2 DC. Again, single crochet in the chain 1 space. And so continue to repeat the pattern across. Our last single crochet would be on top of that turning chain 3. So for row 4 and the succeeding rows, just continue to repeat the pattern until you reach your desired length. So again, skip 2 stitches and double crochet to the next. Then chain 1 and work double crochet on the first skipped stitch. So again, continue with the pattern until you reach 60 inches long, or until you reach your desired length. Now onto our last 4 single crochet. So don't forget that last stitch there. Alright, fasten off. Cut the yarn, and we're just going to weave this end using a tapestry needle. And we're done. Here's our lacy cross double crochet scarf.